In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Binance two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator. This is useful if you've lost access to your previous phone or app. Let's go through it step by step. Let's get started. First, go to Binance.com and sign into your account so you can access your account settings. Then, head to your profile icon in the top right corner and click on Account to enter your account dashboard. Next, go to the Security section where all your verification methods are listed. Scroll down to find the Authenticator app under 2FA options and click Manage. Now click the Edit icon or Reset icon next to the Authenticator option and then hit Continue to begin the reset process. Binance will walk you through identity verification to finish resetting your two-factor authentication. And that's how to reset your Binance two-factor authentication with Google Authenticator. If this video helped, like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more fast and clear crypto tutorials. See you next time!